Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Drop Zone. Today we are going to discuss about microorganisms, friends and foe, which is a content of class 8 second chapter. Here we are with microorganisms, friends and foe. Before dealing with microorganisms, friends and foe, we are going to discuss and will come to know about what is microorganism. The word states micro means small, organism means creature. It means microorganism, small creature. Now, microorganisms is a very small creature. Features of microorganisms states that they are very tiny in size, present everywhere in water and soil, and cannot be seen with naked eyes and can only be seen under microscope. Microorganism is of four types. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. Here, the important point to be noted is that virus is also microscopic in nature and also a kind of a microorganisms. We will discuss virus in our next slide. Now, talking about viruses, we all know that viruses are also very tiny particles and creatures of microorganisms. Now, discussing about features of viruses. They are microscopic in nature. They reproduce on inside the cell of host organism. It means the multiplications and division of cells happens when one viruses enter into another type of organism, for example, human, plants or animals. For example, bacterium, plant or animal. Causes ailments like cold, influenza, and common coughs are the symptoms when viruses enters one's body or an organism. They also cause serious diseases like polio and chickenpox in worse conditions. After discussing about the features and understanding the concepts of microorganisms and viruses, we move on to where do organisms live. Microorganisms may be single cells like bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, which we see in our daily life. Microorganisms live in hot springs, ice, cold climate, and marshy lands. It means they can survive under extreme conditions. They are also found inside the bodies of animals and human beings mostly. Here, the important point again to be noted is that microorganisms like amoeba live alone. Fungi and bacteria live in colonies. Now, as above discussed, microorganisms are our friends and foe. After discussing about the causes and bad symptoms and causes of bad bacteria, now we turn and discuss about friendly microorganisms. Now, friendly microorganisms have many uses in our day-to-day life. Uses of microorganisms states that they are used in preparation of curd, bread, and cake. They act as an environmental cleaning medium, also present in Dettol, insecticides, pesticides, etc. Example here are organic waste, vegetable peels, and feces of animals. Increases soil fertility by nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is a kind of criteria done and formed with lots of carbohydrates and proteins when nitrogen gas is taken and absorbed by the roots of a plant. Mainly nitrogen fixation is seen under water plants. And also microorganisms of friendly kinds are used in making of curd. Curd, scientific namely, is known as lactobacillus. In general, we call it as lactic acid bacteria, which is used for good digestion in human beings. This is all about the first part of the lesson, microorganisms, friends and foe, and the other part will be discussed very shortly. Thank you for watching.